infrastructure development and economic impact of the PM Gati Shakti Master Plan in Telangana. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India is undergoing rapid infrastructure development through initiatives like the PM Gati Shakti Master Plan. One significant project under this plan is the modernization of the rail network in Telangana, spanning 72.01 kilometers from Vangapalli to Kajipet. This project aims to enhance both freight and passenger services, enabling speeds of up to 160 km per hour. Telangana's strategic location, with Secunderabad as a key hub, underscores its importance in this transformative endeavor. The project corridor intersects vital industrial hubs such as Rampur, home to major enterprises including Mahindra Automobiles, Naresh Stonics, and Ramlingeshwara Rice Mill. These industries contribute significantly to the local economy, handling diverse commodities including food grains, coal, rice, fertilizers, automobiles, and petroleum products. Key commodities and transport routes. Food grains originating from Jangaon and destined for FCI Tikkoti. Fertilizer transported from Kakinada to destinations like Sanathnagar and Secunderabad. Coal from Godavari Khani No. 1 Kalyari to Bellary Thermal Power Station and other routes. Automobiles originating from Farrukhnagar, serving destinations such as Nidwanda and Golhali. Petroleum products shipped from Vishakhapatnam to locations like Cherpalli. Iron and steel transported from Vishakhapatnam to Sanathnagar. Rice moving from Food Corporation of India (KZJ) to Solapur and Vijaypura. Ash transported from MS Adani Power Limited to ACC SDG. Mixed commodities including coal, aviation turbine fuel, high-speed diesel and others to various destinations such as BPC IBP sidings and thermal power plants. These transport routes not only facilitate efficient movement of goods but also bolster regional connectivity and economic growth. By leveraging modern infrastructure and strategic planning, the PM Gati Shakti Master Plan is set to propel Telangana towards greater economic prosperity and sustainable development. As India continues to expand its infrastructure footprint under dynamic leadership, projects like these exemplify a commitment to transforming the nation's economic landscape and improving the lives of its citizens. Thank you.